Hello students, illustration number 25, continuation. Now we are going to transfer the capital account from the balance sheet to capital account. So they have given that capital account balance is 50,000 and Mary for 30,000. It's record the capital account, date, by balance BBD 30,000. For Kavita it's a null because it's a old partner's capital account, opening balance. Then now we are going to transfer the general reserve and workman compensation to the partner's capital account. So already we calculated that. So the general reserve fund 40,000 into 3 by 4, that is old profit sharing ratio is given, 30,000 for Rekha and 10,000 for Mary. So now we see here it's the income to the partners. So 31, 3, 18. When the new partner admitted, in that time only they have calculated, so it can written as a 1/4/2018 also, no problem, by general reserve. General reserve account for Rekha 30,000 and Kavita 10,000. So now general reserve is distributed among the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. The same way workman compensation fund 7,500, 2,500, that also distributed 31, 3, 2018 by workman compensation fund. Workman compensation fund rupees 7,500, 2,500 distributed hyphen for Kavita. Then over. Then sundry creditors is a closing balance. So it should be entered in the balance sheet liabilities column. Sundry creditors amount rupees 20,000. So 20,000 can be entered in the outer column. Then now you see here we are going to see the adjustment now. So when the Kavita is admitted to the partnership firm, she got entire profit from the Rekha. So the goodwill amount which she brought, that should be given to Rekha alone. Kavita has to bring 20,000 as capital. Now imagine Kavita she brought the capital amount. So 1/4/2018 Kavita brought capital amount by bank or cash account. How much she brought? 20,000. That should be entered in the Kavita's column for remaining two partners hyphen. Now Kavita brought the capital amount and her share of goodwill is 4,000, but she couldn't bring the cash towards goodwill. If she didn't bring the goodwill, mean they won't leave the partners, sacrificing partner. From her capital account they will transfer the value. So what is the journal entry? New partner's capital account debit to old partner's capital account. So new partner is Kavita. So Kavita's capital account debit. In capital account, Kavita's account debit side we have to enter amount 4,000. Kavita's capital account debit to who's the partner? To Rekha. There is a sacrificing partner is Rekha. So Rekha's capital account credit. So the amount 4,000 is entered in the Rekha's capital account 1/4/2018 by Kavita's capital account. From Kavita's capital account, the amount 4,000 is transferred to Rekha's capital account. This amount only for Kavita, not for Mary. The next one. So first entry is over. Depreciate building by 10%. Building value is 50,000. So 50,000 into 10 by 100 mean 5,000. So 5,000 we are going to reduce the value. 5,000 we are going to reduce it. So there is a reduction in the building value. When the asset values are going to be increased, it should be recorded in the debit side. Asset values are going to be reduced, which should be entered in the debit side. So to buildings account 5,000. So the same thing should be done in the balance sheet also. Building actual value is 50,000. Buildings 50,000. Reduction value is 10%. So that is depreciation 10%. Amount 5,000. So in the outer column, revised value should be entered. That is 45,000. Then what is given? Stock to be revalued at 6,000. Actual stock value is 8,000. In that case, the value is reduced. How much is reduced? 2000. Stock is asset. So in that case, asset value is reduced mean debit side of the revaluation account it should be entered. Stock account debit. How much will be reduced? 2000. So the balance sheet also should be reflected. So stock account original value in the balance sheet value is 8000. Now it is appeared in the balance sheet as 6000. That case, how much is reduced? 2000. So we have to subtract it 2000. Stock value is reduced. Depreciation 2000. So the same 2000 is entered in the revaluation account also. Next, what they have given? Create provision for doubtful debts. Doubtful debts mean related to the bad debtors. So it's going to reduce the debtors value. That is asset value is going to be reduced 5% on debtors. What's the debtors value? 60,000. In 60,000, 5% of the debtors are not able to pay the amount. 2020. 6 into 5, 30. 0000. So 3,000 rupees. So when you are going to have that provision for doubtful debts, asset values are going to be reduced. So it will be entered in the revaluation account debit side to provision for doubtful debts. Rupees 3,000. It is recorded. The same way you have to enter in the balance sheet also. Sundry debtor value is 60,000. Sundry debtors 60,000 minus provision for doubtful debts 5%, that is 3,000. Outer column you have to enter 57,000. It is recorded. Then, so now the entries are here. Then we can balance the balance sheet. Sorry, we can enter the record from the balance sheet. As buildings value is recorded, stock value is recorded, sundry debtors also recorded. Cash at bank. So in the old balance sheet they have given the cash value is 32,000. Now when they admit the new partner whether she brought the capital amount and goodwill, she brought only goodwill. She brought only capital amount. She didn't bring the goodwill. So what is the capital amount she brought? 20,000. So 20,000 plus 32,000. So cash in hand. Cash in hand. Sorry, cash at bank. Cash at bank. 32,000. She brought 20,000 additional capital. Kavita's capital 20,000. So total amount 52,000 should be entered in the outer column. It is recorded. Then no other entries to do. Now we can balance the revaluation account. The revaluation account you see here 5 plus 2 7 10. So debit side you got 10,000, but in credit side you didn't get any value. So in that case it shows loss. The loss will be distributed among the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So by loss on revaluation account, transfer it to old partners. Who are the old partners? Rekha and Mary. Rekha capital account and then Mary capital account. It's a loss. So 10,000 is going to be distributed among the old partners. So 10,000 into 3 by 4. 1 4 is 4. 25 4s are 100. So 2,503 is equal to 7,500 for Rekha and 2,500 for Mary. So 7,500 for Rekha, 2,500 for Mary. So 10,000 is balanced. Now this value is going to be entered in the revaluation account debit capital account debit side, revaluation account, Rekha's capital account debit, Mary's capital account debit, to revaluation account. So in the capital account debit side we are going to enter 1/4/2018 to revaluation account. It is a loss. So 7,500 for Rekha and 2,500 for Mary. Kavita, no loss because she is a new partner. Now we are going to balance the capital accounts. So you see here in Kavita column we got 20,000. Here you got 4,000. So 20,000 minus 4,000 is 16,000. That is the difference amount you have to enter it here. 16,000. Total 20,000. The same value, excess maximum value should be entered here. 20, 20, both the same. So 60,000 is the difference amount. Now you see here, we are going to balance here 00. Third column 5. Fourth position 2. Fifth position 3 plus 1 4. So 42,500. Here we got 2,500. So our maximum value is 42,500 entered. 42,500 minus 2,500, we got the difference amount is 40,000. This recorded. Then here you see here you got 7,500, here you got more amount. So we can tally it here first. So 00 first. Third position 5. Fourth position 4 plus 7 11. 1 100 is 11. 4 plus 5 9, 91,500. So the same 91,500 is entered here. Now here you got 7,500. So 91,500 minus 7,500 00 11 4 84,000. So difference amount is 84,000. So the 84,000 should be entered here. So this is the closing balance. So 1/4/2018 to balance C by D. It should be recorded in that next date 1/4/2018. The evening balance by balance B by D. What is the amount? 84,000. Then 40,000. For Kavita 16,000. So after admitting a new partner, the three partners, after admitting Kavita, the three partners capital account shows 84,000, 40,000, 16,000. This amount should be entered in the balance sheet liabilities column. So capital account. Who are the partners? Rekha and then Mary, Kavita. So Rekha, how much amount? 84,000. Mary, 40,000. And then who's that? Kavita, 16,000. 000. Fourth question, 6 plus 4, 10. 1 plus 1, 2, 6, 14. So 1,40,000. 1,40,000 is the different amount. What is that? That is the capital amount. Now we are going to balance the both side. So here we got 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Here 000. 2, 9, 15, 20, 7, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. So 16. So 1,60,000. Now both sides is balanced. It's a 5-mark question.